times our bunny hops backwards, or just the other way. So when it hops the other way, it uses a minus sign. Minus means opposite. It's the other way. So say there's a carrot that goes down to here, and the bunny wants to know, how deep is this? And how many hops to the left? Well, the hops to the left are 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, and -3. And then we're going down -1, -2, and -3. So we have -3, -3. Bunny's digging to get its carrot down to there. Okay, so that is the ordered pair. Ordered pair is hops and carrot height. It's X and Y. Ordered pair. Right? Has our X and our Y. And it would catalog carrots. It would use 0 and 1, 1 and 3, 2 and 5, 3 and 7. Now, the bunny could use ordered pairs. 0, 1. Remember, these are hops. Horizontal. We're going left and right. How far left? How far right? Y is vertical. These are carrots. How tall things are. So tall is this way. So 0 to the left or right, 1 up. 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7. These are the exact same way of representing those numbers. Different ways of representing the numbers, the same. We could also do it on graph paper. So on graph paper, we have our horizontal x-axis, and then we have our vertical y-axis. I like to go 1, 2, 3, 4, big 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, big 5, 6, 7. We're just going to be in the first quadrant here, going right and going up. 0, 1 can be represented with a dot right there. All right, this is our first point. Number 1, number 2. So 1 to the right, 1, 2, 3 up. Our third point is going to be 1, 2 right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the big one up. And then our fourth point is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up. Our cute little bunny is doing each point at a time and kind of getting tired of doing that. So our cute bunny got smart, decided to find a better way to do it. Got mad of having to plug in all these points. So what our cute bunny did was write this as an equation. It noticed that as x increased by 1, the y increased twice as much. So as x 1, y went up 2. So basically, if you take your x and multiply by 2 and then add 1, it was able to create a line. Mad Bunny developed a chart, more detailed than the last. So let's look at the chart here, because the bunny loved math. 0, 1, 2, 3 was our last example, right? You can also write these as ordered pairs. 0, 1, 2, 3. These are hops to the right. If it was the other way, you just have a negative side because negative means opposite. Now, the size of the carrots were twice x and then plus 1. That's what the cute bunny noticed. So this is going to be 2 times 0, parentheses. If it's touching a parentheses, it's the same thing as times. You can use a dot. No longer do we use the x, though, because the x is our variable. Variable means it can change. X being a variable means it's an unknown or it can change. Like here, our x is 0, then it becomes 1, then it's going to become 2, and then it's going to become 3. So Cute Bunny used this to figure out how tall can my carrots be. Like so he's noticing this progression. Looks like a linear progression. Linear just means line. Lin, L-I-N, E-A-R. It's got line in it, L-I-N-E, line. So this is going to be 1, this is going to be 3, this is going to be moving, this is going to be 5, and this is going to be 7. Same as before. So the Cute Bunny is recognizing if I go 0 hops, the carrot's 1 tall. If I go 1 hop, the carrot's 3 tall. If I go 2 hops, the carrot's 5 tall. If I go 3 hops, the carrot's 7 tall. Now, our bunny wanted a 16 tall carrot, 16 carrot. So it's thinking, Okay, how many hops am I going to need to get to 16? Cute Bunny's pretty good at math. So Cute Bunny's thinking, oh, if I'm going to get to 16, these are all odd. What's half of 16? Half of 16 is 8. So if it went 8 hops, let's think about that. If it went 8 hops, right, it'd be 2 times 8, which is 16. Very good. Plus 1. That would take it to 17. Mad Bunny's also thinking, oh, if I went to 7, 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. So it knows 7, 15, and it knows 8, 17. It's going to have to do 7 and a half or 7.5. Same thing. 0.5, 50%, 1/2, same things. 50 cents, half of $1. 50%, half of 100%. 1 divided by 2, right? 15 plus 1, which is 16, which we were looking for. The bunnies started to realize these are all the same. Same on the graph. These are just different ways of doing it. Now notice on our graph, if we go to 7.5 hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half's going to be right down the middle here. And then we have to go up 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go 5. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's going to be up around here. So this is the gold carrot. Big one. 16 carat. Our bunny's happy. Now what our bunny realized is if it took a ruler and lined up all these dots, it could make a line. And it noticed this is kind of a steep line here.